Hello, it's Gazi here. Welcome back to the last part of our started. In this video, we're gonna cover our sequence email, which means we set up our welcome email list. For example, if anyone subscribe our newsletter, they will get welcome newsletter. They will get automatically. We just set up once, and they will get if someone subscribe our newsletter. So we're gonna do that. After that, we're gonna move our next steps, which is building part. We will see a lot of things like organic marketing and how could we improve our newsletter so that people like and people get value from it. So we're gonna do upcoming videos, and this is our last sequence of video is started. So we just covered our fundamental. We set up our email, how to write, we just have seen, and more importantly, we have picked our niche. So basically we could say we have started our newsletter very successfully. So let's get started our how to set up our welcome email sequence, and then we will go through our next level. Okay, here we have come in our dashboard, and what we have to do, we have to go to audience, and then we have to go to automations. Here there's a series I have written welcome email. Here is the live, the travel series automations I already did. There is 65 subscribers. It's over 1 year ago last edited. So I'm gonna create a new so that you can understand it well how it does work. So new automations. Here is the other things: sign up, email submitted, survey submitted, poll submitted, referral action segment, upgraded, and many more. So let's get to it. This new automations. So first of all, what we can do, we can put a name, actually welcome email, top 5 email sequence, and there is a unlimited entry or conditional re-entry or something. You can no re-entry, so subscriber can only enter automated once, whatever you can do. So here is the descriptions. If you said it well, if someone subscribe, they will get it once, never get back as well. So there is unlimited re-entry. The subscriber can enter automations multiple times when they meet the acceptance criteria. So you can put a little bit of conditions, and then they can subscribe again, and they can get this sequence once again. Whatever you want, you can put it off, but for me, I will no re-enter because I will write very first email. So we did it like that, and right now we're just gonna edit it well overview and edit the workflow. So first of all, when they sign up, what is gonna happen? There is a condition you could, so trigger runs as someone signs up. So after signing up, what the things you can add it here, there's a thing is, so you can put it conditions or trigger whatever you want. So add a conditions, can add conditions and many more. What is the conditions you could do? So email some sort of value or some things begin with or end it, but so for me, I will not edit anything. So they signed up, and I'll be waited for 1 minute or something, or maybe 30 seconds. 30 seconds is minutes is here, but not seconds. But I will be waiting for 1 minute. So there is the setup. After 1 minute, they will get another email. I'd like to send another email. So time till the 1 minute, I will send an email. There is email. What is the email you could wanted to send them? So there is the things. So let's create an email. You can create an email, or you can, if you already set up, you could do. So there is a, I would like to start with very blank kind of thing. So I will start write this. Hey, Korea lover, welcome to Unravel Korea. There is main template. You can make it whatever you want. So for me, just for saying to you, I just write something about me or something as well. So whatever you want. So, and you can also get some brainstorming idea from ChatGPT. Write me welcome email for my newsletter. I just give you example, not to make it very well or something. I just copy and paste it up. I guess you understand. So what does mean it? If you wish, if you want, I just not gonna review. I will do it later and until I make it really well. So I will continuously refine it. So I made it save and back to our, after they sign up our email, they will get like this welcome email or something, and just change our subject line. You should not copy and paste. You would read them well, and you should make it by your own. I will not publish it. I just wanted to show you how to set up, create some styles or something. You can do it by your own. I do not want it to do right now. I just make it. And then after 1 minute, they will get this email automatically. You don't need to do anything else. And then you can do some of the things, true false enrollment automations or something. I just wanted to send another email after 1 day. So for example, there is a time delay I would like to, there is 1 day, not 24 hours. So 24 hours is waiting and then send another email. What could be the second email? So I just made it happen. There's a second day subject line is gives me just, I just copy and paste it blindly. I will just show you how to set up, not I am doing like that. I will refine later, but just what you can do or how could you do, I just wanted to show. There is the second email. Yes, I will change details a little bit. So I have saved the second email. So there is a thing you can do, or you can set up a condition. So if they open up, they will take this email or not, or something is not getting there, or not, subscribe or something, or not click, or not without paying. So there's a bunch of stuffs here you can do, or you can set a value as whatever. And after the setting all of things, you can publish it. I just didn't finish it, so that's why it's not giving me a chance to publish. So I just want to delete this. I think you got the point how to do is well. So I just published, changed, and it is all set up. There is the thing. If you look at that, and there is a subscriber journey is 4 weeks or something. Workflow is here. This overall thing you might understand. So there is a basic things you can do. So we have done it, our fundamentals. We have started our newsletter, and we will go the next part, very exciting part. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope we will see in the next upcoming videos, or you will grow it, or you will build it. So thank you so much.